So in this video, I will show you step by step how to make highlighted captions in CapCut PC. So if you want to create highlighted caption, let me show you step by step how to do it. So the first thing to do, now here is my voiceover and here is my video. So I'll just go to captions. After you go to caption, now select the language of your video. After you select the language, so click on this template. Under the template, scroll to down. So scroll to down and go to highlights, this one. After you go to the highlight, so here it will give you different highlighted caption style for you to choose. So for this video, let's say you want to use this one or this one, you just go ahead and choose the one that you want to use. But for me, I'll just go and choose this one. So I'll go to up. For this video, I'm going with this one. So I'll just go scroll to down and choose the highlighted. And then for this video, I'm going with this one. So after you choose the one that you want to use,
is one of the most well-known.
so as you can see now, it will give you the highlights of the preview of how it will look if you just choose the one that you selected in this option. So after you choose the one that you want to use, then click on this generate button. So if you look at this one now, after some seconds, now it just give me my caption with the highlighted, as you can see now.
American Express Platinum card is.
So that's it guys on how to make highlighted captions in CapCut. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.